Hey guys, I'm John Garage, and today I'm going to be talking about a little screwdriver bit set that I've been in love with for as long as I've had it for, and I've been carrying it for many months now, and now I finally want to talk to you about it. You might have seen me mention it before, but this is the Steinwhale mini stubby bit set. Only 12 bucks or something like that. Basically what it is, it's a bunch of, as the name suggests, stubby bits that are double-sided. And it comes with a little bit holder extender thing, and also a tiny little handle nub thing that you can insert this into that. And then here you can basically have your pick. Here's everything it's got. A few Phillips heads, a few hex bits, and some Torx bits. And they cover quite a wide array of them here. And I think they'll get the job for most people most of the time. So let's just pop one in. Fits in perfect, works perfect. It's great stuff. But I think the true value in this comes not from using it with this thing, which is a cool little addition they have and would be able to fit into many a EDC pocket or organizer or whatever, but like, I don't think I've carried this thing once, although I'm sure it works fine. No, I've carried it more with things like the nice Roxxon Flex Companion, which comes with a 1/4-inch bit driver that you can just pop this out and bam, there you go. Fits perfectly. And it's amazing, and it just like clears up so much more space, and it's so much more compact and gives you double the, you know, utility that you'd have with something of an equivalent size. So I think in here I have, no I don't. So let's say you wanted to carry bits with you before. Usually they'd come in some sort of sleeve like this or a weird contraption of some sort, and you know, here you get, oh, I think there's 12 of them here. Yep, 12 different bits. Well, they're not double-sided, they're just these big long bits, and you know, that's a whole bunch of space right there that you could use for a whole nother side of it with a different bit type. But no, not with these. They're just a bunch of hogs. Now compare that to these where, well, compare that to these where you get, actually, there are 8 of these here, but because they're double-sided, really you're getting 16 different options compared to this lowly 12. So 16 here for like half the size and double the utility. It's a fantastic deal. I can't believe it, and it makes me so happy every time. There are a few downsides to this. I mean, nothing's perfect, even though this thing is pretty close to it. And I'll just list a few of those here. These bits are very small, so if you try and use it without the bit extender thing here, it'll work usually, but sometimes the things are a little bit too deep. So if I put this in here, it still works, but it's very nubby. Why won't you focus? Very nubby. And I've actually made a mistake before, and it was with this guy right here, which is this cool little screwdriver holder thing with a magnetic bit, but it's quite deep. If you take a little look here, it's quite deep. And one of the first times I tried it out, I tried putting one of these stubby bits in there, and it disappeared into the void. I was able to grab it out thanks to some nice pliers, but it was bad. See, even that big long one that came from the companion went just flying down in there. Oh, dear Lord. Get you out, free you. Oh my god, why is that magnet so powerful? It's getting stuck on the angle and it just doesn't want to do it. Oh my god. No more monkeying around. What have I done to deserve this? No. Please, I beg you. Yeah, easy peasy to get that out. No problem at all. Don't do what I did. If you think it's going to be too deep, test out a bit that you don't want anymore or don't care about, because that thing will get stuck in there and you'll be spending a couple minutes, if not fewer, trying to get it out. This thing is cool, but oh man, it's deadly. But yeah, you can just stick this in there instead and avoid that entire headache. Then you can put whatever bits you want in there. Very cool. Yeah, so I definitely like keep the little extender thing on it unless you know for sure that the whatever tool you're going to use with it is in fact not so deep that it's going to swallow up any bit that you put in there. But yeah, so these work with the nice little flex companion, which I think is quite popular with people. A lot of people like it, you might say. Let's try a couple other things this might work with, just to give you an idea. This is one of those like Byberry kind of Leatherman knockoff type things, the titanium one, but it has a integrated 1/4" bit driver right here that normally uses these double-sided detent bits. I had stuck a little tiny magnet in here with some super glue not too long ago. As one of those little tiny neodymium magnet type things. Like, I think it was like 1 millimeter by 3 millimeters wide or something. But so now this thing is not magnetic on its own, so you need to use it with something that's magnetic, otherwise it's just gonna slide on out of there. So with this, goes in, and then I can put whatever bits I like in there. I'm not gonna chance it with putting one of these bits in it on its own, because God, that was almost a disaster when I tried to do it a few minutes ago. But you know what? I think it'll be okay. So it's not going to be all that effective trying to use it like that. Yeah, it's like almost, it's just barely coming out of it. But, you know, the magnet's not so crazy on this one that it's going to like keep it stuck in there forever. Covet it. But yeah, this thing's great. Really doesn't take up a ton of space, honestly. You know, if you're someone who likes to have a screwdriver handy of some sort, this thing is great. Goes in these little pocket things just fine. I can button it up. Doesn't make it too terribly bulky. You can probably still fit this back here too. Let's see. But yeah, I mean, really, it's a good fit for any small EDC pouch that you want to carry, and gives you, again, 16 different options compared to try and cramp something like this in there. It's going to be sticking out. It might be a little bit flatter, I guess, but whatever. We're talking about the Stubby bit set. And again, you can always just carry this too. But for me, if I was carrying something like this here, Flex Companion, I already got the bit driver covered. I don't need something like this. I just need the bits. And that's what this thing does for me. And could do for you. Pretty cool little thing. I wholeheartedly love it with my whole heart. Now, another thing that I think is quite cool to do with it is you can actually get these little like pocket knife things. This is the Kershaw DIY Shuffle, and this here is the Kershaw Select Fire, which both have these integrated bit drivers. This one pops out like that, and this one just has one attached to it right there. Let's put these knives away before something terrible happens to me. But they also include these little bit holders here. So this can hold 2. There's none on the back. And this can hold 2 on this side and 2 on that side. Guess what you can do with these little mini bits? If you don't want to carry a whole bunch around, but you like carrying a knife like this, or, you know, there's the Milwaukee Fastback or whatever it's called, which is very similar at a much kinder price. You can pop a couple of these in here. And so instead of having just 4 options, this will give you 8. So that goes in there, fits in there just fine. Friction holds it in. It's not going to slide out unless you're taking your knife and doing some crazy stuff with it. But yeah, so that fits in there. Then you can pull it out, put it in here. It's a tiny bit wobbly, but it's not going to go flying out. And it is magnetized, so it'll hold it right in there just perfectly. So that's with the Select Fire, and then with this one it's quite a similar thing. These slide in here, stick out like that, wobbles a little, but it's not going to go away completely. It'll still do some screwing, but you know, get this crap out of here, and then slide him in. There you go. Now you can have 4 options on here instead of just a measly, lowly 2. And you know, more is more. That's what I always say. Oh God, which did I put where? You know, sometimes as I do these videos, I just be doing things. I don't know necessarily what those things are, but there's some things. Let's see. Letters and numbers. So that probably goes there. This probably goes here. All is good with the world. I wouldn't have that issue if I had these stubby bits attached to them at all times, because then I just always know, well, hey, if it's not a stubby bit, it doesn't belong there. Yeah, go check it out. Like I said, it's only like 12, maybe it's 15, maybe I misspoke. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. Who knows anymore, but all I know is this thing is awesome. You'll love it, and I'll love you if you get it, because then we'll be stubby bit brothers or sisters or siblings. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos that are going to be coming your way coming soon in the future, pretty close to now. Goodbye.